Hello everyone, Mr. Stevens here again with another video, this time on the angle sum of a quadrilateral, which is going to be pretty similar to what we were looking at in our last lesson, but this time we're looking at shapes with four sides, not three. But again, we're going to be using what we talk about today to find unknown angles. That's what this is all about. This slide is just a quick bit of revision for you about the different kinds of quadrilaterals we're going to be looking at today, and in some of these I just want to point out that you can cheat a little bit. Here in a parallelogram and in a rhombus we have a couple of pairs of angles that are the same. As we go forward in this unit, we're going to start looking at parallel lines, and you're going to learn about why these angles are the same. But for now, it's enough that you just know that they are the same. It might be helpful to draw at least these three shapes into your books and just note the angles that are the same. But anyway, moving on to the angle sum of a quadrilateral. The angle sum of a triangle was 180. The angle sum of a quadrilateral now is 360. This time we have four angles to add up, and the total will always be 360. So yeah, copy this one down into your books as well. And let's jump into an example. We have a quadrilateral here, and we have three known angles and one unknown angle. And we know that if we add all these angles together, we are going to get 360 degrees. And now, remembering how we solve these, we just subtract everything over to the other side of the equation. And all these disappear, and we're left with just x by itself, and that's going to be 105 degrees. Alright, now I have an example here for you guys to have a go at doing this on yourself. You're going to be finding the value of angle A. Pause the video, have a go, and when you come back I'll show you the solution. Right, again, we just take A and we add all the angles that we know, and that has to equal 360. And we find the answer by subtracting. I am okay with you guys skipping straight to this step. Instead of writing this first line down, any of this here, I'm okay with you guys going straight to this step. Especially after yesterday, we should have had plenty of practice at recognizing how to do these questions. So I'm okay if your answers only look like this going forward. So the answer here is 55 degrees. Right, and that's all there is for today. We're finding unknown angles in a quadrilateral by using the angle sum. And remember our key fact, angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Alright, you guys are going to have some questions to go ahead and practice. Thanks everyone.